This hair extension is so amazing, and in this video I would like to show you what other hairstyle can come from this hair extension. Trust me, it is so amazing. I made it for a bride and this is what came out. So let me take you through and you see how I managed to do all these.
Maurice, the Crochet Master.
Alright, yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yes, to those ones who would need to come and be worked on, just come to Hair by Clippers, Clippers with Z. So that's when you can get our service. Yes, I would like to inform you that we started the online courses, so please just go on my website www.mauricethecrochetmaster.com and get yourself start learning. So as I told you, we are going to look at this amazing hair extension, and it's called the Havana curls. It is very interesting in that it can a lot of hairstyle can come from it. And now my braid wanted something simple, yes, simple and very unique on the occasion, and we decided to do something like this. So of course, when we are doing the crochet, when you know that the crochet you're doing is going to have different types of styling, one, what you need to note in your mind is that you have to make the puff cornrows. And yes, when it comes to cornrows, we all know we have to use the inside knotless inside cornrow, the inside cornrow. Yes, that one is the one that lasts longer and very protective. Even doesn't show the it doesn't swell on the head. So now when we do the puff, we have to do the puff, as you can see, and you can try to see how her hairline was damaged. But when we are doing this kind of cornrows, we just have to skip those broken hairlines so that maybe at least they can grow themselves, or we always make them like baby hair. So this is how we are done with that. And then we just apply the anti-itch oil. This one helps the dandruff. Yes, we just apply it. So after we start our crochet, but in this part I'm just going to try to be a little bit speed so that we can reach on the main point. And those ones who didn't know how to lock this crochet, you just have to lock it twice so that is firm down, like once, twice, just like that. Yes, though you just have to be a little bit speedy because it is a lot. So you need to be speedy enough so that you can finish as soon as possible. So let's try to be a little bit quick so that we get to the main point. And you guys, there's something I just want to make clear here, is that all hair styles can do a bridal thing. Yes, no matter how hairstyle you have, it can always make a bridal thing as long as you style it in that way. So don't think it's only the wigs that can always do the bridal thing. No, even these other hairstyle can always do the crochet, the braids, and many others. Yes, so that's what you need to know as you're going to be seeing in this video. So please, if you're still new on this channel, this is Maurice the Crochet Master, and please make sure that you click on the red button, subscribe, and please, we always upload videos every week, so you can imagine every week I make sure that I upload a video for you so that we can always get to learn. Yes, I love that. So You can see how packed it is. You just have to make sure that it is well packed. Most of you guys, I don't know if you do it because like if you do it because you're tired, I don't know, but most of it, but you need to pack it very well to see that all the sides are well packed. As you can see on this view, it just shows that it is really packed very well. Yes, you need to pack it very well, in that most of those hairstyles that you want to be you want to style can come out very nicely. So on the first place, we can do this one. Yes, we can do this one for the first maybe most times people can always change their dresses, so you just have to style even according to their dress code they're going to use. Yes, so this time around we are going to do something like this, and I want you to see what these hair extensions does when it comes to the bridal occasion. Now you can see this is how now when we're done with that one, we are still going to change to make something different from it, and this is how you can always do it. And remember, on this one I told you about the fringe. You need, or yeah, you should always be careful when trimming the fringe, because it is, or sometimes it looks good when it is below the eyebrows, and at times it looks good when it is just above the eyebrows, but this depends on the the head shape, so you should always mind about that. So this is what I had to get from this hair extension, and trust me, if you like it, you can always get it and do it yourself. Yes, I love it already. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I'm gonna be signing out. My God bless you all. Bye bye.
Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo kumaniche kukora. Kitakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Who make up, who on a genius.